Soraya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I hair dry my hair and what products I use to protect my hair from the drying and heating tool that I'll be using today. Anyway, I just want to say that I don't hair dry my hair every day because you know, it's gonna dry up your strands, and yeah, I don't want to do that. I want to preserve my hair, the moisture in my hair, and that's also the reason why I don't color my hair, because yeah, I just want to preserve my natural hair. Anyway, let's get on with business. If you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified if I upload new videos. I actually do a lot of fashion videos, beauty, lifestyle, travel vlogs, and so much more. Okay, so yes, please do consider to subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Let's get it on. Alright, so now I'm going to dry my hair. Okay, so I'm going to be using this. So it's just, you know, the simple, usual hair dryer. So this is the tool that I'll be using today. It's the Conair Infinity. Yeah, Pro Conair Infinity. So this is what I'll be using. I'm not going to put anything because I just want, I want some volume too in my hair. So let's begin. Alright, so I'm going to protect my hair with this product. This is the Kerastase what is Nectar Thermique, and it will protect my hair from the heat. So I've had this for actually over a year now, and it's because I don't dry my hair every day, so I think it's up to here now. I just put like this much and spread it all over my hair. I do usually the ends. And I also include the inside. Okay. Then I'm going to start drying my hair. So I actually have thick hair, so it takes me a while to dry my hair, usually more than 5 minutes. So I'm going to just fast forward this. So since I have short hair, I actually just flip it and then dry it from the inside, and I also flip it like both ways, like to the right and to the left, alternating, so it gives more volume. Another tip is I don't use a brush because, yeah, if your hair is wet and then, you know, the bristles can actually damage your hair strands. So I just use my mighty fingers. Okay, so now that it's a little dry, but it's not dry all the way, I'm going to use this. It's the Kerastase Elixir, and just add, I usually do 2 drops. There. So you don't want to put a lot of this because it's going to weigh your hair down. So I'm just going to do a little bit of the top like that. So it's going to add shine and so do you see the difference already? Wow. Okay, so this product actually adds softness and shine to your hair. So there you go. And then I'm going to keep on drying my hair. So this time I'm going to do warm. Okay, so my hair is now dry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the cool setting, and then I'm going to press this. This is, I think, to take out the static in your hair or something like that, and it adds more shine. So let's try it. And voila! Okay. So I don't really use any brush, but I do use a big tooth comb. So this protects my hair strands from getting split ends, and yes. So, and this is it. So if you can see, it's shiny and it's bouncy, and yeah, that's it for now. I hope that you guys like this video. If you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified if I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.